It's another great day. Welcome back once again, lovelies. Hope you are all fine and doing well. Today we are going to prepare a nice and soft, smooth banku. The ingredients we'll be using is our corn dough and our cassava dough. To start with, I place my cassava dough in a bowl, add some water and then mash it. After, I'll sieve it to remove every sticks from my cassava dough in order to make my banku very smooth. So this is the unwanted sticks that I had from my sieved cassava dough. If you don't do it this way, you're gonna get lumps in it. After I added the corn dough into the cassava dough and then mashed this also up into a smooth paste. I made my mixture lighter in order to make my banku very smooth and soft, and with this also it cooks very fast. But if you make it thick, you are going to add many water to it and it won't cook fast as well. So from here I keep on stirring in order to prevent the lumps from being cooked. Yes, so I'm stirring it continuously. If you don't stir it, the lumps in it is going to cook under and that will make the banku very lumpy. Yes, there is going to be more lumps in it. So as you can see, yes, it has taken up. So I'm going to press this at the side of my pot. Yes, in order to loosen up the uncooked lumps in the banku. So you can see the banku is very hard now. So as I'm pressing this to the side, I'm cleaning the sides of the pot with my spatula as well. From here, I'm adding some water to the banku so that it can boil and bring more heat into the banku so that this will cook very fast. Yes, the water helps more heat to come into it. As the other side boils for a while, I then turn over the banku as you see me doing. Now the other side has also cooked for a while and there's more heat in it, so I'm going to press this at the sides as well. I then pour in another water for it to cook another one again. Yes, I want it to cook very well, so I added up another water to it and I turn it over as I did at the first one. So as this cooks for a while, I'm going to press to the other side as well. Then I'm done for my banku. So after about 10 minutes, I'm going to roll my banku up in my banku rubber. Yes. And as your banku is ready, you can serve this with your tilapia, your shito, and your green pepper, and you're good to go. You can as well eat it with your okra soup or stew as this. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and give your girl a thumbs up. Please be here for more videos.